Hi guys, it is still very windy, but I'm gonna try to make a damage video. So yeah, just watch. So this wind chime got all tangled. This one did too. We've got some branches in the yard right here. All the wind chimes over there are fine. There's another branch hanging out of the tree right there. All their lids have opened up, but haven't, like, their trash cans haven't fallen over. Okay, so, some of my wind chimes fell. There's a branch out of the Bradford pear, and then there's another one, if you can see right there. This thing fell. Real cover. The basketball hoop's still up. Yo, how did this thing not fall apart again? Oh, a tube fell off of this wind chime. I'm gonna try to run under the Bradford pear. There are a few branches under it. Yeah, I don't think it's that bad back here. Like, there's a tree falling. That wind chime's still fine. There are branches all back in here now. But then, if you look, looks like a tree has kind of uprooted right there. Well, it's against another tree. It's leaning, it's on that tree. I gotta stay away from that. I think there are a few branches over here also. Oh, this fell. That fell. That also fell. Yeah, branches everywhere over here. Actually, not as many as I thought. None in the beginning of my trail. Wow, that's surprising. Yeah, so guys, that's technically it. There's just a bunch of stuff all over my yard. And a bunch of willow branches. Yeah, here's a little one. Kind of a decent sized one. I don't think any branches are broken up in it. And then my neighbor's trees were destroyed also. So yeah. Now I'm just gonna video the wind. So let's get some strong wind in this video. So as y'all can see, it's still very windy. The winds have been stronger, but this is just some minor wind. I don't think I missed anything that got damaged other than the fan or the spinning wheel. I'll probably go down through the neighborhood and show y'all some of the damage because there's a tree that just got destroyed down there. It shattered into pieces. And I think I heard a few trees fall over there also. I'll ask later if the rain stops. Ooh, that's a good gust. Here comes another one. My arms are soaked. It's actually freezing now. I mean, it has to be about 40 degrees. And it has to be 40 miles per hour also. Right now. Strongest gust so far. Okay. Oh my. There's some more coming. Oh, that's gonna hit me. There just went another tree, I think. There just went a whirlwind, like a very strong one and fast one. Okay, I'm about to end the video.